Christ Church Georgetown is one of the oldest churches in Washington. It's also where COVID-19 arrived when the Reverend Timothy Cole became the city's first coronavirus patient. It earned him a new nickname.
Patient Zero, which is a name that it's going to take a bit of living down, I think. The Christian understanding of love.
Cole has been vaccinated, and so has nearly everyone in church this day. He's urged his parishioners to get the shot for their own health and for the welfare of others. And he's happy for more faith leaders to do the same.
I think there were good things that came out of me catching COVID, and I certainly alerted this community very early to the risks of it, and perhaps this community benefited in the long run by being, very quick to react.
The Lord be with you.
On the Sunday prior to Rector Tim Cole being admitted to the hospital for COVID-19, he helped give communion to hundreds of congregants here at Christ Church. It was a wake-up call for the community.
I happen to have been a parishioner here at the last service that Tim presented before he was diagnosed with COVID-19. That experience made us become very aware and made us, I would say, much more cautious and aware of what we should be doing and not doing.
A recent survey of Americans indicated 1/3 of them would look to a religious leader when deciding whether to get a COVID-19 vaccine. And over half say getting vaccinated is a way to make good on the aspiration of loving one's neighbor.
People who are more hesitant, particularly in white evangelical Protestant and Black Protestant groups, indicate that religious appeals would work for them, that these things could help get them across the line from being vaccine hesitant to actually getting the vaccine.
Now that we're closing in on what's hopefully the end of this experience, I think that people in the pulpit, right, people in the pulpits, be it in churches or mosques or synagogues, can really help their parishioners and their communities, understand the importance of getting vaccinated and really taking it seriously.
Vaccines are now freely available for all people living in the United States who are at least 16 years old. The CDC says at least 30% of the population has been vaccinated so far. Laurel, Bowman, VOA News, Washington.